Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use negative prompts on Midjourney. Let's start. First of all, open up the Discord. Once you get into your Discord, click to open Midjourney bot server, then tap on Home from the left side menu. Now check out the active image from your right side. Here, type in /imagine. Now write the description of the picture you want to generate. For example, a male face without hair, nose, and tap to send. It's going to generate a male face. Tap on Accept TOS. As you can see, it generated the exact same image as I described. That's the most powerful tool of Midjourney bot. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. And explain me how we're solving new problems every day.